Now in this case, the example that we're using is 32 divided by 2. Notice that our tens place digit is 3, therefore it's made up of 3 tens, and our ones place digit is 2, which is of course 2 ones. 3, the digit 3, is greater than 2. So if we keenly look at our tens blocks, we notice that we have one more than how many groups we have to equally share into, because our divisor is 2, right? So I can simply start sharing equally, not so? Because 3 is more than 2, I can certainly divide equally. But then we notice that we have a 10 left back. As our previous example showed, we cannot split 1 or share 1 equally between 2. So what do? We have to regroup. And that simply means we change our 110 into 10 ones. And so far this is only 2-digit division, 2-digit by 1-digit. But the same thing will apply to 3-digit, 4-digit, and beyond. The same thing would apply. All right. So I now have, instead of having 110 and 2 ones left, I have 10 ones and 2 ones, which is 12. 110 and 2 ones is still 12. However, we now have 12 ones, which we can then share up. Okay? And I'm going to do so. Forgive me for starting with one group alone. I can split this now equally into these two groups. And I have 110. I have 110, which has a value of 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, which has a value of 6, right? So 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. I have 16 in one group. Let's see. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 16 in this group as well. So therefore, my quotient 32 divided by 2, my quotient is 16. 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. 16 multiplied by 2 will give me 32. If we think back to 15 by 2, that's 30. 16 is one more, so of course we have 2 added to that. And we can check this in so many different ways. All right? So please do not be confused. Just recognize that this is all place value. This is all manipulation of numbers. All right, you can do it. And one for the road will be a 3-digit by 1-digit example I will do. And I want you to try 2-digit, 3-digit, and 4-digit by 1-digit division.